Hey, how's it going? This is Mo from Clarendon Metro Motor.
My name is Carlos. I'm the manager over at Old Town Metro Motor.
Hey, I'm JP with Metro Motor.
One thing about us is teamwork, brotherhood, and sisterhood that we have here is amazing, top chart.
Actually a good job to have, learning both sides of the job. One, talking to customers, interacting with them, not as only as a customer, but as a friend.
What makes this place great is that we communicate on every single level.
Clear, transparent with the customers. Nothing can compete what we got going on.
There's a lot of growth opportunities within Metro Motor.
I'm always happy when I see like new people coming in, and I welcome them not only as a customer, but as a friend and Metro Motor family as well.
It is great working here. With the rest of the team members, we have amazing team culture.